easiest way to see and know what this everything ether and everything is all about is to be a part of the journey.
Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. There's not much left of our 3 minutes here together. So let me start by saying, going forward, we will focus on none other than building wealth on a budget, investing in XLM and Algorand. You may be wondering, why invest in these specific cryptocurrencies? Let me break it down for you. First up, we have XLM, Stellar Lumens. This cryptocurrency is designed for retail use, meaning it's meant to be used by the public, and it's not just for buying things. You can also use XLM to transfer money across borders quickly and cheaply. Plus, it's backed by some big names like IBM and Deloitte. Next up, we have Algorand. This cryptocurrency can be staked on Coinbase for a 3 to 4% annual yield. And get this, every 100 Algorand will yield 3 to 4 extra Algorand per year. This might not seem like much now, but imagine Algorand maturing to $100 each, generating $300 to $400 per year, all with a small investment of just $100 per week. And as mass adoption of cryptocurrencies continues, it's highly likely that Algorand will continue to increase in value. Now you might think, why should I invest in cryptocurrencies at all? Well, think about it this way. Imagine buying Bitcoin when it was under $1. That might have seemed like a risky investment at the time, but now that same Bitcoin is worth thousands of dollars. By investing in XLM and Algorand now, you're setting yourself up for the future. And don't worry if you're a minimum wager. Even saving just $10 per week through the Coinbase app can make a difference. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research and see for yourself. And if you use my Coinbase link in the description and invest or save $100 within the first 30 days, we'll both receive $10 in Bitcoin. Remember, the only thing you need to trust is the important information I'm sharing with you. Invest in XLM and Algorand now, and you'll be setting yourself up for a wealthy future. And, by the way, none of this is financial advice. This is all my personal opinion, and I truly believe in the prosperity of XLM, Algorand, and Coinbase. Knowing that, I advise you to do your own research. I only talk about or promote things that I have truly researched and actually invest in. I don't speak for or represent XLM, Algorand, nor Coinbase. I just simply admire the technology.
The best way to know what everything ether is really all about is to just be a part of the journey.